Right, the next thing I've got to make is the generator adjusting platform. That there is the foot of the generator if you think it's running that way. The adjusting platform has got 2 bolts there and there, but they're in a slot, so you can adjust the tension of the belt going to the flywheel. And on the back end there'll be 2 bolts which I've got to drill a hole through the shield here, so you can adjust it once you push the generator the way you want it to go. Then you've got a little lock nut there as well. So let's get on. Right, I've marked the plate out. These 4 areas here is where I've got to do the slots for the adjustment. Get on and do that now. Right, I've done 1 slot. Just going to machine the 2nd slot. Right, that's the slots made. Now I'm going to make the 2 little blocks which go there. That'll have the adjusting bolt going through there and there. Right, that's the adjuster plate made with the slots. I'll have to silver solder these little blocks on. They'll be tapped out to 2BA. And behind it, on that slot, would be the lock nut that'll be behind. And then I've got to drill the holes through there. I'll do that when I strip the thing apart. And then also I've got to put these lugs on each side, which then I'll be drilling through there. And then I'll probably silver solder a thicker piece of metal underneath so I can drill through and tap that later on. Right, that's the generator adjuster plate all complete. So that'll be put on there later on and will be able to be adjusted back and forth. Next time I'll do the bolts coming through there. What I have also made, where are they? Are the 2 little lamp brackets which will be fitted on there later on, one each side.